Tip the CBS 2 investigation. The black market is booming for the COVID-19 vaccine. Internet sellers are capitalizing on fear and scarcity across the globe. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey exposes what happens when you actually try to buy a shot.
Guns, drugs, human organs.
People who are looking to do things that are either illegal or perhaps controversial will go there.
The dark web is meant to connect unidentified buyers to anonymous sellers. And with millions of people still waiting patiently in line to get a precious COVID-19 vaccine, there's something new lurking in this often seedy space.
Now it's very, very specific, tied to vaccine and getting something ahead of time, skipping the line and getting to the front.
Mark Ostrowski works for the cybersecurity firm Check Point. His team has found in just the last 6 weeks, the number of vaccine ads on the dark web has exploded. The asking prices have doubled or even quadrupled. Here are just a few search results, available now and going fast. Looks like a steal, right? $300 for 14 doses. This seller offered a 100% refund if the $500 vaccine failed to arrive. Or there's this seller who offered to ship to the UK, US, and Spain. The best method of correspondence, WhatsApp or Telegram, which is where the Check Point team started messaging these sellers to try to learn more. Oh, a bulk discount, 10,000 bottles of the COVID-19 vaccine for 30 grand. This dark web seller even messaged a picture of a sample bottle of vaccine with a December expiration date. And this one wanted $1,500 for 4 doses of a, quote, Chinese vaccine. The Check Point team even sent them the Bitcoin payment to see what they would get in return.
Our expectations were low, and of course, they were met.
A few days after the Bitcoin transaction, Check Point received a message saying that the vaccines had shipped. But then a few days after that, the vendor's account completely disappeared from the site. And you guessed it, they never received anything in the mail.
So that's how these typical things work, where goods are being offered, money is transferred, and then poof, right? These things go away.
And it's not just vaccine that's being peddled.
Hydroxychloroquine. I'm taking it. Hydroxychloroquine. Right now, yeah.
The Check Point team also found ads for the malaria medication once touted to treat COVID-19. Worth mentioning, all clinical trials conducted during 2020 found hydroxychloroquine was ineffective. As far as Ostrowski can tell, none of these sellers really have any of the COVID-19 vaccines. But as time goes by and more people get access to stores of legitimate doses, there's always the possibility some of that real product could make its way onto the dark web.
But that's what makes it really dangerous, because you really don't know what you're getting. So you're putting not only yourself at risk if something like this happens, but if you're getting multiple doses and trying to resell it, the risk is just so huge.
Back in December, Interpol saw this coming. They issued a global alert to law enforcement in 194 countries, warning them that organized crime networks were targeting COVID-19 vaccines, both physically and online. In the loop, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
The Federal Trade Commission warns that if you're ever asked to pay or to put your name in a vaccine list or pay to get early access, you're dealing with a scammer.